Hey everyone, in this video we are going to discuss advanced search options available on Anstrex Dropship Platform. Advanced search allows you to create complex search expressions to precisely find the data you are looking for when it's not possible to achieve the same results with a simple search. Please note that advanced search option is currently available on our product catalog, aka product research tool, and on our top stores research tool as well. To go to advanced search, click on the search button and then click on the advanced search panel header to reveal the user interface. At first, the user interface may look overwhelming, but it's quite easy to use once you learn how to use it. In its default view, you will see two different groups connected by an AND logical operator. Within each group, you can have multiple rules or expressions which are joined together by either AND or logical operators. You can have multiple rules within each group. Please note that you need at least one group and one rule to use advanced search. Now let's look at all the buttons and switches and menus on the user interface. The logical operators AND as well as OR can be selected using switches, as you can see here. You can create new groups by using the Add Group button. You can create a new rule or search expression by using Add Rule button. You can delete any rule or group by using the appropriate Delete button. Also remember that you can create group at the highest level by clicking this button, and also create group within a group by clicking on these buttons. When you have a group within a group, they are called nested groups. Now let's build some search expressions using this user interface to clarify this further. Before we create the expression, let's go ahead and reset all the parameters to its default state by clicking on the Reset All button. We will now go back to the advanced search panel, and now let's start building our advanced search expression. In the first group, I'm going to select supplier from the drop down here and set the supplier field to AliExpress, and then I'm going to add one more rule. I'm going to set a category here, and when you click on the drop down for the category, you will see quite a few of them, and in order to find what you're looking for, all you need to do is type in your search expression. So in this case, I will be looking for some kitchen accessories, so I'm going to start typing the word kitchen, and I'm going to select this particular category here, which is home/kitchen, dining and bar. Next, I'm going to add a pricing rule. I want to find items that are between 10 and 50 US dollars. So I'm going to select price and then greater than 10, and then add one more rule, price less than 50. As you can see, all these rules are joined together by AND logical operator, which means that in order for the results to be displayed, all these rules have to be true at the same time. Now let's go to the next group, a second group here, and here we will add some more conditions. And our first condition is going to be the ship method or shipping method, and I'm going to select AliExpress standard shipping here, and I'm going to add one more shipping method, which will be ePacket. And in this case, I'm going to select OR logical operator, which means that only one of these two conditions have to be true in order for us to see the results, and not both. And as you can see here, both these groups, group 1 and group 2, are joined together by an AND operator, which means that all these conditions in the group 1 have to be true at the same time, as well as one of the conditions of the group 2 has to be true at the same time. So we have kind of built a mildly complex expression here, and as you can see, by adding more groups or nested groups, we can make this expression even more complex. But for the purpose of this demonstration, I'm going to go ahead and start searching the results based on these criteria. And before I do that, I want to also provide a sorting method or sorting option here, and I want to list product total number of orders received over its lifetime, and this needs to be in descending. So that means that the products with highest orders received will be displayed first, and as you go down the list, the products will have less and less number of total orders received at the supplier website. So let's go ahead and try search. And as you can see, you now have results of various kitchen gadgets with the price range we defined earlier, which is between 10 and 50 US dollars, and which have either AliExpress standard shipping or e-packet shipping as available shipping methods, with products having the highest number of orders listed on the top. Now, one more thing I want to show you is that you don't really have to build these expressions every time you want to use them. If you have certain search expressions that you need to use frequently, we have provided a way for you to save these results within our platform. All you need to do is provide a name for this search, and I'm going to call it AliExpress kitchen gadgets, and then I'm going to go ahead and save this search. And let's just delete everything here just to show you how the delete function works. I'm deleting all the rules, all the groups as well. And now if I were to go ahead and recall this search which I just created, it will automatically populate just like the way it was before. So again, saving all these search expressions is an extremely useful feature which allows you to recall all your past searches at the click of a button and saves you a lot of time. Another thing I want to point out, that if you ever want to delete any of the search expressions, all you need to do is select your search expression from this drop down and then click on the delete button. So now that search expression is gone and it's deleted from our platform. So in conclusion, the advanced search comes in pretty handy when your search requirements are pretty complex and cannot be handled by simple search. We have made our advanced search engine extremely powerful and yet simple to use, which I hope was evident from the video tutorial you just saw. In addition, you can save your advanced search expressions with a click of a button and recall them whenever you need them. And with that, we will end this video and see you again in another video. Cheers.